In this video we're going to cover the MailMaster, and that's going to allow us to produce USPS postage and stamps for parcels and letters and flats. So we're going to start by clicking on the point of sale button here, and then we're going to click on the MailMaster button on the right. Okay, so once in the MailMaster, first thing we want to do is just enter in some information such as the weight. So we can just, for example, put in an ounce, and we'll enter in a zip code here. And it's going to give us some pricing right away. So first class, priority, express mail. If we look to the right, we have some other options we can choose. So right now we're on letters. We can choose flats, and we have a drop-down menu here. It's going to allow us to choose between flat rate envelope priority, flat rate envelope express, or we can select parcels, where we can either enter in a customized dimensions over here, so whatever the dimensions of that parcel may be, or we can choose from the drop-down menu here USPS flat rate box types, small, medium, large, or military. Also, this little question mark right here, it gives us a little bit of information when we click on it, bring that into view, of the various dimensions and such of postcards and letters and flats. Okay, one more thing to note here is right above these buttons here, is if we just click right above them, we're going to get to show our cost. So if you're curious about what kind of margin you have there, you can just click right above these buttons. It's going to display your cost. Okay, so if we want to choose our service here, let's go back to letters. We'll do a first class stamp. Okay, so it's going to bring that information down to this description window here. And it's going to put the postage amount right here in the top right. So next thing, if we have nothing else we have to do, we can just hit print postage, but maybe we want to add certified mail and return receipt. Okay, you're still going to have to take and fill out that green slip to put on the letter, but it's going to allow you to take and add that postage amount to the total here. Okay, so we're just going to hit the print postage button, and yes, we're sure. So that's just going to send that postage amount to your Dymo stamp machine and print out that stamp so you can put that on the package, or the letter in this case. Okay, so if we wanted to continue mailing more letters or parcels, we can do that, or if we're finished, we can just hit save and proceed back to the point of sale to help finish out this sale and ring out this customer. But say, for example, the customer has more items they want to mail out. So we'll say in this example we'll do 2 ounces, and maybe we want to do an international shipment. So this is going to give us international pricing. So if we scroll down through, we can, maybe we'll send something to China, for example. Okay, so now we're getting our international pricing. So all we have to do is choose the service we want, and maybe in this example we'll choose flats. We'll go with flat rate envelope express. Okay, so all we have to do now is just choose the service. In this case, Express Mail International is our only option based on the package type we're choosing. Okay, so it's going to bring that information down here, and we just have to print the postage now. Okay, so let's finish out the sale. We'll hit save. It's going to bring us back to the point of sale. We can see over here on the on-screen receipt we have the information about our postage that we produced. Okay, so we're just going to hit the receipt or no receipt button. I'm just going to hit no receipt for this example. It's going to bring us to the MailMaster screen where we can finish out the sale. So let's, in this example, we'll say that we're going to get exact cash. So we'll just put in 82.94 and complete sale. And no change due, so we'll just hit continue. And that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.